Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the mobile view on your Shopify store. Make sure to follow along step by step, and by the end of this video, you will be able to optimize your store for mobile devices. First, open your Shopify store and log in to your dashboard. Once you are here, go to the left sidebar where you will find the option called Online Store. Click on it and a new menu will appear. Look for the eye icon, which is the Preview button. Click on it to open your store in a new tab. Now, you need to edit your homepage. To do this, go back to your Shopify dashboard, find the Customize option under Themes, and click on it. This will take you to the Shopify theme editor, where you can make changes to your store's design. At the top right corner of the theme editor, you will see a computer icon. Click on it and you will get two options, desktop and mobile. Select Mobile View. This will allow you to see how your store looks on mobile devices. Now, let's talk about optimizing your images. The recommended size for ad images and banners on Shopify is 1024 by 1024 pixels. This ensures that your images fit well on both mobile and desktop versions of your store. If your images are not the correct size, they might look stretched or cropped on mobile devices. To create or resize an image, you can use Canva. Open Canva in your browser and click on Create a Design. Then choose Custom Size and enter 1024 by 1024 pixels. Now you can upload your existing image or design a new one from scratch. Once you are done, download the image in high quality and upload it to your Shopify store. Go back to the Shopify theme editor, find the section where you want to add or replace an image, and upload your new image. After that, make sure to save your changes. Once your images are updated, check the mobile view again to see if everything looks correct. If your text, buttons, or images still appear misaligned, you may need to adjust spacing or font sizes within the theme editor. You can do this by selecting the section you want to edit and using the built-in options to tweak margins, padding, or text alignment. Once you're satisfied with the mobile layout, click Save to apply all the changes. Finally, open your Shopify store on a real mobile device to double-check everything. That's how you fix the mobile view on your Shopify store.